how to buy Bitcoin on BitUnix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. As you can see right now, we're currently in BitUnix. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into our BitUnix, of course. And then after logging in, this is what you're going to see. So simply click over here over our asset overview. We have buy crypto. So simply select buy crypto over here. And over here, simply select BTC over here or Bitcoin. Then you're going to select how much you're going to pay. So let's say $100 as a sample. Then you will be able to see here how much Bitcoin you will be able to receive. And over here, you could select the payment method that you wish to do. Either you go with a Visa card, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even bank transfer. Those are available options for you. Then you could select here your provider. There would be different traffic rates for the different providers, as you can see here. But Coinify is our recommended option. And simply click on buy over here and you should be able to buy Bitcoin in BitUnix. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.